I hit a pothole and it finished my tire. I pulled off, and this will be first time we use the Tesla service roadside assistance, and there they are. It hasn't even been an hour. That was really quick. I was afraid this was gonna take a minute, but basically what they're gonna do is they're going to give me a loaner wheel and tire, and I'll have to go pick up my wheel with a new tire. Let's go talk to this guy. What's going on? Thanks for making it out here.
Of course.
So you can't really see it, but there's a small hole on the sidewall.
Yeah.
It's completely flat now. All right.
It's not going nuts your other man, though.
Getting chilly.
Well, whoever put these on put them on too tight.
It's the morning after the incident we had blowing up the tire yesterday, and this is the wheel and tire. This looks like it's from a Model Y. There is a discount tire on my way there and back. Honestly, probably just gonna stop there and get them. Shouldn't be too busy. Oh, are we gonna fit? This is gonna be a tight fit. Oh, that's an alignment machine. Wow, took them all these years to start doing alignments. How's it going? I need this front driver tire is at 36, 35. I need it at 40, 42.
42?
Yeah.
All right, just that one?
Yeah.
All right. Showing on there?
Yep, 42. That was quick. Thank you very much. Yep.
Sir, good day.
Nice and easy. All the guys from Mexico.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. We do appreciate it. You have a good day.
You too. All right. Also, if you're not a fan or familiar with Discount Tire, they do offer flat repairs. If you get a flat, you have a nail, you come in here, they'll fix it for free. As long as it's not on the sidewall and it's repairable, they will fix it for free. The only reason I mentioned the alignment, besides the fact that I saw the alignment machine, was that pothole I hit last night. It was like, it sounded pretty bad. So we are driving to the Tesla service center to get the new wheel and install the 2 new front tires. We're gonna pull up the Tesla app here in a second, and it's going to tell us where to park it. So we arrived at the Tesla service center. So basically pull up the app and you're gonna scroll down to where it says here, ready for service. Then you're gonna click on drop off vehicle today, and then it's gonna say ready for drop off. Not providing transportation, this should be fairly quickly. And then you're gonna click on begin drop off. And so basically, as long as I park my car anywhere in this circle, they're going to be good. Or I can find a parking spot. This looks like Tesla World over here. Some cool Cybertrucks. Wonder where the Tesla service actually is. Well, looks like this is a little bit different. So I guess you can drop it off this way as well. So we're just gonna wait. We're gonna take it easy. Check this out, a Tesla Roadster. First time seeing one in person. They just took possession of the Tesla, and check out this waiting room. Very minimalistic. Got some coffee, some drinks, some snacks, some accessories, charging adapters, the yoke steering wheel. It's a pretty interesting design. This looks like Tesla World. So it took him about 2 hours, not terribly, with an alignment. Something doesn't look right. Alright, we're gonna keep this one. I don't know, guys, does that look like a new wheel to you? There's no way that's a new wheel. Nah, this is my old wheel. It's definitely my old wheel.
Oh, no, I haven't.
Okay.
But it's nice to meet you.
Thanks.
So,
Yeah, that's definitely the old wheel.
so the new one. So basically, what it was we spent the new wheels is on this side, and that wheel over there's the one that was over here.
Oh, they just
Yeah, I just they got
okay.
moved around. He's putting everything
Okay,
back on.
that does
Yeah,
look
so
new.
that's what it was. So that isn't new, but it's over here.
Yeah, okay.
And then he said when the damaged wheel came in, when it was brought to us, the center cap and then those pieces weren't with it.
Yeah,
So I don't know if they got left with the total or what happened with that, but we didn't have them here.
yeah. How hard? I have the cap back here. How
Stiff, like you're almost have to force it.
this one, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be on this side.
Everything getting switched around all backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically just.
Oh gosh. Like this.
Dude, I actually haven't done that before.
Yeah, this looks.
Just like I did.
Oh wait, I think I got it now. Look.
Yeah, it should sing, and then it should be a good smack pretty much. Yep.
That's
You
it.
get that click, yeah.
Yeah.
And then match it.
Well, we are back on the road. I'll show you guys the alignment results. I was going back and forth whether I should get an alignment or not. I ended up doing it, and I'm glad I did because it was off. Here's the before and the after alignment results. As you can see, the toe and the front tires was out quite a bit, a little bit off on the rear. This is what I was saying earlier, that I'm glad I did check it. Here's what it looks like after the alignment. Even the steer head, it's basically perfect. So glad we did the alignment. Pretty pleased with Tesla Roadside Assistance and the service in general. These guys did a nice job.